Golden lead template machine. The machine head rotates with the shuttle seat in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions synchronously. Achieve perfect stitches at any angle, right-angled and curved shapes. Increase the working efficiency greatly. Maximum sewing speed is 3,800 RPM. Actual sewing range X direction 1,004 mm. Y direction 950 mm. Can meet most sewing processes. Spindle no load. Steady cutting thread with low noise. Auto thread wiping. After cutting the thread can be pulled out of the needle plate. The thread will not come out of the needle hole when sewing again. Equipped with intelligent electronic middle pressure foot. The medium pressure foot fits perfectly with the needle. Improve sewing quality. Effectively reduce production costs. Adopt electronic tag radio frequency identification technology. Pattern maximum stitches number is 20,000 stitches. Optional laser cutting device and vacuum device.